Hi guys, and welcome to this week's review video. Today I'm really excited. What I've been reviewing for the past week is possibly the best training I've ever gone through for such a small amount of money. For $20, what you get in is just astronomical. So what I've done, I've put together a very special bonus for this week, and that's what I've called a Clickbank Superstar Secrets. So before I go through the actual product itself and show you the amazing work that John Thornhill has put into this, I just want to explain what this little special bonus is that I put together. I went through John's training. It inspired me to go and put stuff onto Clickbank. But whilst I was on there, I discovered a little secret which enabled me to make $506.96 without launching a product as a vendor, which is what John teaches in the Clickbank training, and without promoting a product as an affiliate either. It was just something that I stumbled across, and I tried my luck at it, and it worked. And I'm not going to make a video about this because I think it's too valuable. I don't want the masses to know about it. The only people who I'm going to show this to is anybody who buys the Clickbank Superstar. So the way I'll do it on a live call with whoever buys it, then get on a call with me, and I'll show them literally exactly what I did. And that's the way I'm going to deliver this one, because I don't want this out there on a video. It's too valuable for too many people to jump on, but it's okay for a handful of people to know about it. So that's the first bonus that I've got. Then I've got a couple more bonuses which are related to Clickbank. We've got the Clickbank Affiliate Cash. This is just some audio training which teaches you how to get the most out of doing affiliate promotions on Clickbank. And again, we've got a training guide here which has 9 different modules, again, which are getting the most out of mainly affiliate promotions on Clickbank. Then we've got 2 more very important bonuses. One is all about traffic, because obviously if you get something up on Clickbank, you need to get traffic to it. So this is a great bonus that John has put together. And also, this is possibly the best bonus I've seen any of the vendors ever put together. I'll go through this when we jump into the product, but John is allowing you to go onto his product creation workshop, which I've watched this, I've been through it, and it's absolutely diamond. It's amazing workshop, and I would just say to everybody who goes in, who actually buys into the Clickbank Superstar of John's, that they should jump onto the product creation workshop. It's invaluable. It's got so much information in there. So what's in the actual product itself? He's actually blown me away as John with this. The amount of high quality videos he's put in there, the amount of work he's put in there, the way he's mapped it all out, it's just absolutely second to none. I mean, I've paid for training courses that have cost me $997 before, and there have not been a patch on this. I've actually bought Clickbank training on Udemy, which was about $80. It was nowhere near as good as this. And obviously, John, at the start, when you come in here, will actually talk about his product creation workshop. And to get on it, you just click here and you can go and sign up for the actual training workshop. But in here, you'll see he's got the modules, and you think, okay, he's done one video for each of these modules, but it's far from that. I mean, when you go and look at what he's actually put in here, he puts a couple of videos into each module. He goes through it all and breaks it down. The quality of the videos and the way that John explains it is absolutely amazing. And what he's doing under each one, he's putting a link. So everything that he shows in the video, he's then giving you the links, so you don't have to go away and go and search for it or anything. It's just all done for you. He just literally holds your hand all your way through this. So as you go through each module, you see when he's talking about it, I'm not going to do John a disservice and start playing the videos, because obviously that would be unfair. But again, he's got the things he's used. So he's got his simple 3-step disclaimer tool. He's got his disclaimer text documents. He's doing everything for you. All these things that are essential parts of putting a product onto Clickbank, John has done it all for you. It's just an amazing collection of training videos. As you can see in here, you've got the advanced training. You've got resources, traffic solutions. He's got his support people who are there, and you've got the access to the creation workshop. I honestly have to say, over the past few years of all the training that I've ever looked at, this is by far the best training I've seen for the small amount of money that you pay for it. The value for it is what I'm trying to get at. The value for this is just absolutely, it's not been touched before. So have a look at the sales page, go and see what John's put on there, look at all the social proof that he's got. But I would urge anyone, if you're interested in making money on a different platform, and you've maybe been doing stuff on Warrior Plus, you've maybe done stuff on JVZoo or Kartra or any of the other platforms, if you've not tried Clickbank and you wanted to put something on there, it's the biggest one out there. And this, from John, for $20, takes you from the start to getting a product listed and on the platform. It's an absolutely amazing piece of training. So thanks again for visiting the page today, and check out John's Clickbank Superstar. Cheers now.